Had a baby, now your hair's everywhere but your head? Let's have a cuppa and chat about it. So, why does your hair suddenly seem to vanish after birth? It's all down to hormones. During pregnancy, estrogen keeps your hair in the growth phase, so you might have noticed it looking fuller and thicker. But once your baby arrives, those hormones drop and suddenly, lots of hair enters the resting phase and sheds. It usually starts a couple of months after birth, and yes, it can feel a bit shocking. Here's the good news. It's nearly always temporary, and most mums see regrowth within a year. But styling stress, like tight ponytails or rough brushing, can make hair loss worse, and sometimes even lead to lasting damage. So be gentle, use nourishing products, and give your new growth a little extra love. Protect your post-baby hair. You deserve it. Ready to feel confident again? Shop our gentle solutions today.